Dealing with the Appface module DLL error in Appface UI app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. I recommend the automated system scan for Appface module to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Appface module. Part of the Appface UI framework, this library allows developers to apply custom skins and themes to legacy Win32 applications. It intercepts GDI draw calls to replace standard window borders with custom textures. If missing, the parent software, often older accounting or CAD tools, will crash upon attempting to load its graphical interface. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The file Appface module DLL is required for Appface UI to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Appface module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Appface module DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. One approach to reviewing Appface module references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Appface module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.